Hi, I'm Jess, and welcome to my channel. I've been stressing out about getting everything I need to get done in time for Christmas. So I decided to tackle one task today, and blend it with something relaxing. Today I wrapped presents, and I made a pretty box to use as wrapping for one of them. Let me show you how to make one too. You'll need scissors, a ruler, a pencil, glue, and a greeting card. Step 1. Cut the card in half along the folded line, using either a paper cutter or scissors. Next, you're going to mark where you're going to fold the card to turn it into a box. I marked it at 1.5 centimeters. If you want a deeper box, just make that measurement bigger. The short ends are going to be folded over twice, so mark a second line double the distance to the first parallel to the short edge. So since I made the first line at 1.5 centimeters, I made the second at 3 centimeters. Make a small cut along the line parallel to the long side from the edge to the second line. Now fold along the lines. When you assemble the box, the little tabs you cut will be folded between the two layers of the short edge. Use glue along the short edge to help hold everything in place. I'm using white glue, but a glue stick will also work. Fold into a box shape. Finally, use binder clips to hold the fold in place while the glue dries. This step is optional and might not be necessary if your glue dries quickly. Now set it aside and repeat with the top. To make sure the top fits over the bottom of the box, make sure to mark the folded lines 1 millimeter closer to the edge. For me, that means marking them at 1.4 centimeters. I initially drew them at 1.6 centimeters, but I quickly realized my mistake. Once the glue is dry, remove the binder clips and you now have a box. You can write a little message inside if you want, but I'd recommend doing that while it's a card before you fold it into a box. This is a great way to make an impersonal gift like a gift card feel more personal. It's also a great way to use those greeting cards that are just too pretty to throw away, because now you have a reusable box. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you make a greeting card box, and have a good rest of your day.